It's cold and rainy today. I want to use today as a rest kind of work day because the next month is very, very planned. But my Swiss travel pass, I have to do 2 more days and I have to do them before May 21st. I don't have a free day besides today, so I have to do something today, even though I don't want to go out in the cold and the rain, but we're going to, because we got to. Otherwise, we waste a whole day, and that's like a whole $50 wasted. And so I'm just trying to decide where. I'm thinking Grindelwald, but I have to decide somewhere that I'm okay with it being rainy, so I don't know.
Yeah, we did not end up going to Grindelwald. Instead, we took a little train ride to just a little city that I think it was only 10 minutes away. I don't know. It was very close. I picked this place because of this little castle, and I kept on seeing it out the window of the train when I go to other cities, and I was interested and wanted to see it, so here I am seeing it.
I feel like I've seen what I needed to see. I'm ready to go on. I've been here for what, 10 minutes? Cool place. Okay, I'm over the rain, honestly. Unless it was warm rain. Kind of want to swim. I decided I'm still going to explore because the streets down here kind of look really cute, so that's all I need to know.
Of course, that's not all for the day. I mean, come on, I got this other little spot in mind because, you know, I said I wanted to swim, so Okay, now I've seen what I needed to see and I'm heading back to the train station. I almost didn't even get off, and I've been here for probably not even a minute, and I love it already because it looks like it's gonna be really good. I went over there because it looked like there was a swimming area, but it wasn't a swimming area. There's no sign saying I can't come up here, but I'm a little worried that I'm not allowed up here. He's so cute. I could just watch snails move all day. They're so cute. Now, I picked this place because I saw a TikTok of a diving board that you can dive off into Lake Geneva, but I had to explore first because obviously I'm not going to want to when I'm wet. And I was so surprised by how charming this little town is. And it was built on a hill, and of course I went up all the stairs to get to the good view, so you'll see that in a sec. I always get excited when I find a cool place. Oh, dude, the view is amazing. Okay, this is so steep. Could go over there, but I'm not going to. That's where we were. We were right down there. I'm fighting for my life against this wind. But guys, we made it up, and look at the vineyards. The vineyards just laid out. Oh, it looks so good. And I could have gone even higher because it just kept on going up, but I didn't want to, so I didn't. Going a little off trail. That was probably so dumb because now my shoes are so wet. Guys, I haven't even really gotten into the town yet. Like, this has just been going around the town and going up the hill. And you bet the town was not a disappointment. I really need to work on my vocabulary because I don't know enough words to describe how this looks and how beautiful everything is. But don't worry, let me just take you through the little town myself and you can make up your own words. Also, I've been complaining about the rain and the cold, but because of the rain and the cold, there was no one around. I rarely saw anyone. Maybe a couple people passed by, but in this whole town, barely anyone I saw. And it's also really small, so it did not take me long to walk the whole entire thing. And like I said, I had plans of jumping off that diving board into Lake Geneva, so I need to find the diving board first. Gonna swim, but I don't think that's such a good idea. Okay, yeah, I've been talking about that, but I chickened out because the water looked really rough and I was really cold. That was high up in my favorite places. It's pretty small, so it doesn't take long to explore it all, which is really nice, but I kind of want to come back when it's sunny and nice. And that's all of the adventuring for today, but tomorrow we are going to a different country. Bye-bye.